Hello and welcome. If you were fishing 20, 30, 40 years back, you might have seen our fishermen using the gadgets similar to this one. This gadget actually has only two functionalities, and the first one is to act as a hook remover, where we use this end, and the second one is to act as a loop tire, and for that we use the other end. It is fully made from plastic, which I really like because, well, it will never rust, and if you treat it gently, I mean, like if you keep it in your tackle box and you don't step on it, you don't break it, it might actually last like for 20, 30, 50 years easy. So let me show you, first of all, how you can easily remove hooks with it, and then I'll show you how to do loops with it. If you'll find the content useful, don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to become a part of our community and support the channel. So, okay, let us quickly do a demonstration on how you can easily remove hooks from the fish's belly. And for that, we will use this end. As you can see over here, it has this intersection, and over here it has this hole. So what you do, let us imagine that, this hook is stuck deep inside of the fish's belly. So what you do, the line should be stretched in order for you to use it properly. What you do, you just insert the line into this intersection over here, then you gently locate the hook and it goes into that hole there, as you can see. The next step is to just push it a little bit and then twist it and remove it from the fish's belly. All is pretty simple, and there are plenty of YouTube videos out there which will show you the same process on many tools like this one. The second functionality is to make loops. So for that we will use the other end, and I'll use the same line. So how you can do loops with this gadget? So first of all, wrap the line between your, around your finger, and put the line into the position like so. Then what you do, you just spin the tool once, like so. You remove the line from your finger, and then it goes on this top end here, like so. And then what you do, you just pull the line a little bit. The next step is to remove the line from this part here, from the bottom part, like so, and then you just pull the tool and remove the line. As you can see, we've done a loop on the line quite easily and fast with the gadget. So basically, in my opinion, this is a great gadget which can last for a lifetime. But there is one thing which I would like to mention about this one, is that it will only work with a smaller hooks because, well, the hole over here is quite small. So if you are going to be trying to remove the bigger hooks, this gadget won't work, and you might actually consider purchasing another one for yourself, which works best for the bigger hooks. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.